this subject of Ruqyah is very important for two reasons. First, many people suffer and are blocked in their lives and spend years without finding any solution. And the second reason is that many people in that situation will go into shirk by ignorance or by weakness. Some will even go into other religions to look for help, to look for a solution. And that is even worse than the problem they suffer from in the first place. فَإِذَا أَصَابُ الدَّوَاءُ الدَّاء بَرِئَ بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ. So the remedy is Quran, but we have to apply that Quran on the magic.